I'm gonna show you how to turn your car from this to this. This is everything you need for your 20 euro livery. I got this all from AliExpress for about 21 euro. This was like 3 euro. You probably don't need these. I just use them for the templates. And this is like 3 euro. This is 13. And then yeah, you have a pen and ruler. I just stole from my sister. And then after, I just cut out these templates so I can just trace it all around. I basically just used one of these and just added just millimeters constantly bigger whenever I was going wider. I think I should have went a lot wider here on these ones, but hopefully it still looks okay. The next step is just to wash the car. Obviously you don't want to put any stickers on just pollen and dirt, so yeah, just gonna give it a quick wash with some soap, sponge. Probably should use a wash mitt, but it doesn't really matter. Just kind of from here down, and then obviously didn't wash here because this is just where all the stickers will go. But big decision is if I just do it like this, do I kind of flare it out like that? So I don't know, it just depends how many stickers I have. That's all the cutouts. It took me about 3 hours. There's maybe about 50 of them. Gonna split them in half and yeah, just start laying them down and see how it looks. So I think I'm gonna leave it here. I have like way too many stickers right now. I've probably, I mean, these are all the big ones. I have like 20 more of like the tiny ones, like these ones, and like the small star inside. But I think it looks good, so I might just leave it. That's it for the video. I still have the other side to do, but it took me about 30 minutes to 1 hour to do all this. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. There's no point of adding it and making it too hectic when it just looks simple and nice. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.